This is for my number 22, the Screencast-O-Matic and Final Thoughts. Um, I thoroughly enjoyed this class. I thought I learned a lot about different ways to use technology that I never thought, like the Google Drive and the Keynote and the Blogger. All these I would have never thought to use, and they're very useful tools. I also never used iMovie, so I thought that was interesting on how easy it was to use. Um, and I'm graduating in May. I'm probably going to move back home and get a job and live home, save some money, and then I am applying to occupational therapy grad school in June. And then I'll have a semester off, which I'm hoping just to find like a therapy tech job until I start school in January. Thank you.